So welcome back to my video lecturing of software engineering unit 5 test automations. So in this video lecture we going to discuss about the scope of automation in unit 5. So automation requirement define what need to be automated looking into various aspects. Specific requirement can vary from product to product, situations to situation, time to time. The scope of automation can be classified and identified by the following given below. So identifying the types of testing. First one is a test reliability, scalability, performance testing. So this stress reliability, scalability, performance testing types of testing require the test cases to be run from a large number of different machines from a time period. This test case belonging to this testing types of will become the first candidate for automation. And next to identify the type of test for is a scope is a regression reg, regression test. They are repetitive in nature. These test case can executed multiple times during the product development phases. And the next one is a functional test. This kind of test may require a complex set up and thus required specialized skill may be available on an ongoing basis. Automation can enable using the less skilled people to run this test on an ongoing basis. And the next one is a So next tips is automating area less prone to change. User interface normally go through significant changes during a project. To avoid the rework on automated test case, properly analysis has to be done to find out the area of the changes to using user interface and automate only those area that will go through relatively less change. The non-user interface portion of the product can be automated first. This enables the non-GUI portions of the automation to be reused even when GUI go through changes. And the next one tip is a scope of next scope is a automate test that pertain pertain to standards. So we use, for example, we using test to product may have to undergo to compliances to standard. For example, product providing JDBC interface should satisfy the standard JDBC test automatic automatically for standard provide a dual advantage. Testers should develop the standard or not only used for the product testing but can also be sold test tool for the market also. So the companies satisfy the softwares and hand over to the different vendors or vendors company etc to uh, work to provide the proper standards to give the user interface. Next to scope is a management aspects in automation. Pre, prior, prior to starting the automation, adequate effort has to be spent to obtain management commitment. The automation test cases need to be maintained till the product reach completions goals set of goals or completion. The automation involves effect over the extended period of time. Management permission or only given the phase and pot by pot. So this is a management aspect in automation using the prioritized to make a some do a some process is called as a management aspect in automations. And what are the scope of automation in testing? So generally, what are the scope is available? The previously we discussed what are the scope of automations we discussed. So this is what are the scope for automation in testing. So automation is a process of evaluating the AUT application under test against the specification with the help of the tool. In this article, we are going to discuss the scope of automation in testing. Depending on the nature of testing, there are two main branches under automation. First is the functional testing with automation, performance testing with automation. Functional automated testing is a emergence as a key area in the major of testing process. Main area uh, regression test case executions. So is impossible to execute all the regression tests manually with the short span of time. Using the automation gives the high ROI, return of investment in the area, since it is a one-time effort for the generating the script, and using the good framework to consider the maintenance for the software testing automations, and advisable to the 60 to 70% regressions cases to be automated for the being adherent to be the timelines to the test case execution. Automatic test case is not desirable if it is a one-time testing. And the next testing is a performance testing with the help of the automation. Performance testing is a process of evaluating application performance, which is being critical requirement of the every application nowadays. So it almost impossible by manual possible using the different tools used to across organization for the evaluating the application performance, and a different division under performance testing based on the nature of testing. And the next one is a load and stress testing. Application will be tested with the specified load without overloading the application. Stress testing intention to find out of the maximum load and load the application can accommodate. So the application tested with more load specified limited over to find out the breakpoint. In the load and stress test, large number of concurrent users in the needed, the multiple computer are required. So and the next finally is a manual testing. The manual testing is a difficult and almost impossible to run the several load for the several days for identify the problem in the application. The automated the test tool softwares monitor and CPU and memory usage of the each test computer. Test generate the artificial loads by the creating virtual users, and which will be provide a guaranteed test accuracy. The test can generate the number of virtual users on a single computer. Automation helps up to find out the defect, as we can run the test using the multiple user, multiple environment on several days. So finally, automation is an effective means of eliminating, reducing manual effort during regression and functional test case execution. Also, the changes of defect escape will be reduced considerable, since human mistake will not occur once the script is fully developed. The automation is more economically consider the fact of time and quality.